Each space is assigned to a number, usually 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for recordings. Okay? Pinanglagaw nyo na. Like for example, muna siya ako. Okay? And this space means lower. Area, ang nagatry, siyempre, means worse her. Pero, ang series niya is this one. Please have a picture of that. Kinaglan, nag-aantang ko si Nate at inutang ka sa atin na first PTA. Mag-response ka mo medical kung gaugayin mo siya, matutulong mo siya sa auto-basing ka na. Okay? We can use that. Next. Anong purpose in that set? Allow responders to assess pain of the victim who cannot express it through numbers or inputs. Number 2, best used for children 3 years and above, non-verbal patients, ang mga apak na doon, at may cognitive impairment. You know what cognitive is? Ano na siya? Sa brain. Like for example, yung daw medyo mga special pa na bata. Okay? So, pinapakita talaga sa ila. Ano na ginagamit na. Okay? Question. Thank you. Now, pero tagaan to give subo from this, tagaan to give ang mga answer, ha? Tagaan mga answer ka lang. So, kumati. Okay? Importance sa sini sa emergency response. Number 1, it guides, wait na maglabas, ready, go.
Guides emergency response decisions, knowing the pain levels of the responders side of the first aid response to give.
Hindi. Uwi, paano nakaroon ka ng determine na fracture na siya kung hindi mo siya parikon sa pain? Diba? So, maka-apply ka skin, kung nabalaan mo, maka-fracture ka, ay grabe ka sakit. Kung fracture na hindi niya lang sa sakit mo, at grabe mo really say severe and pain. When you have the jam, itugdog na. Number 2, or next, go.
Guides accurate communications, allows consistent recording of pain intensity in victims start to be turned over for hospital.
Muling wala natin pina-observe. Inanglan sa atong response, kung mag-simulation training kita, inanglan, mayroon kaya chart. Ang muling atong ipa-output sa inyo as medical team. Okay? Para nga, magamit sa hospital ang atong evaluation ng chart, evaluation ng chart. Okay? Now, next, go.
Improves communication,
Helps
helps victims
victims
describe their pain clearly to responders and healthcare providers.
Yes. Again, improves communication, helps victims describe their pain clearly to responders and healthcare providers. Sisiramin mo na healthcare providers. Kamo, are you healthcare providers? Ha? Are you? Responders mo yan? Yes. Like? Yes. Or sa victim na lesson to. Magsilita yan ay healthcare providers, kung yung mga doctors at nurses na kita, pag-abot sa hospitals. Kita yung responders. Okay? Next, go!
Promotes comfort and safety
By assessing pain properly.
Responders can respond quickly and prevent unnecessary suffering.
Yes. So kung nabalaan ka, na-fracture na siya, at na-immobilize ka na, automatically, hindi na siya mag-iho, i-explain mo na. So, lahat mo comfort as early as possible. No? Hasta nadala siya sa hospital. Kada iho mo na sa fracture, guys, sakit na. Okay? Question. There are two, sa mga sa victim, there are two, ang isang numerical, ang isang cases. Okay? May picture mo sa cases, ang numerical. Nag-aantay ko individual activity. numeric rating. Will you please, do you have a piece of paper? Yeah, now, supposed to be, ang activity sheets na ihatag ko sa inyo, Lakit, so nag-aantay lang po sila. Ian, will you please get on paper or what? Okay, ready? Okay, sige. Now, out of that activity sheet na you're going to make, you make a numeric rating scale, some phases of pain scale. And then, ano na siya inuwan nyo? Anyway, yan ang papel nyo. Within 2 minutes, you are to draw the kind of pain you experienced in the past when you get hurt. Pwede nyo mag-drawing? Anong gawa nyo rin? Sa saan ko last na experience yung pain? Like for example, sa years ago, experience yung pain. Can you draw ang pain mo? Ready? We will have 2 minutes. Kung nakuha mo itago sa papel mo. Ready? And go. Your time starts now. Sige, yun. Sumunod mo pain. Ang latest mo ka pain yan experience. Siyempre, ikaw yan ang experience na, di ba? Hindi kailangan na namin ang drawing, ha? Okay, last 1 minute. Sige, ibalik itong mga faces. Ito siya, faces. Okay? Ready na? Last 30 seconds. Sino na natapos? Meron na natapos eh. Natatlong ka po? Okay na. Rate your drawing in both numeric pain scale phases, pain scale, and from 0 to 10. Ano siya question sunod? Rate your drawing in both numeric pain scale and phases pain scale from 0 to 10. Ang sa phases pain scale, dapat mo siya yan, di ba? Ang sa numeric, dapat mo yan. So, dua. And then, share the work with the class. Nalagay ako sa kalpo. Okay? Ano na? Kasi kami yun. Ang sa numeric, 4. No pain. Mild pain. 1 Sinong gusto na mag-share ng chocolate? Go! O, sige na, go! Go ba? Paano mo naman wala kung saktuhin mo yung broccoli? Okay, go! Pakita sila. O, hindi na, hindi pala may laway, pero yung pag namin. O, sige na, kung natin yung explain mo, go! Na ano yung kapag? Super control. So, siyempre, worst pain dito yan, na hindi yung malipatan. Okay, very good. Ano yung chocolate? Okay, next. Sino pa? Yes, go. Go.
So, ang midterm mo sa paper is like nagtapos-bot ako. Kay last year, nag-feral working, it was in classmate ko, nalandog ko, pagkinatas ko classmate. So, based out of that, yung experience ko, other pain, ay nag-ulit ko lang kami.
So, mag-rate lang. Pero wala ka man na hospital. Okay, sige. Oh, last to share. Aldea. Oh, sige. Go.
Hey guys, after that, this is, I don't know, again, nasa tapos kami, hindi nalang natapos kami sa children's. And since it was not home, it was not home, so sa mga mga kami pinakakita, I'm for the
Okay, maganda naman kung sakit kayo, hindi dapat lang sa hospital. So, moderate pain. Okay, thank you very much. Here's your prize. Now, here is the individual activity scenario. Ask the name, and then we will have an evaluation. A 7-year-old girl named Aliyah was treated by a responder after falling while playing basketball with her teammates. You are the responder conducting the emergency response. Aliyah is conscious and would not move her feet because of pain. As the responder, what type of pain scale assessment you will use and why? Individual, i-recite ka na lang para madali. May gabi na. Okay? Who would like to do it first? Sino? Oh, go.
I would use the NRS assessment because it was mentioned that the girl is already 7-year-old. So, if possible, the concern namin, kung speak lang na ng patient, then we can use the NRS. And if hindi, pag i-narrow, sir, ang speech ng bata, it would be okay man if we use the cases na assessment.
Okay. May solution, NRS bigay ng record. Pero kung hindi siya makambal, ang mga cases ka. Okay? Any more? Sino pa gamit? Ano pa ang gamit ko? Yes. Any more? Meron pa? Guys, congratulations. Wala na? Okay, sige. Correct, hindi. Okay, pwede. Pwede siya NRS, pwede lang siya cases. Dua ka klase ka, cases ka NRS. Now, this time, you get one question to that paper, and I would like to answer the following question. 1 minute.